Alright, so this is going to be our second question for this tutorial. So the question reads: two forces F1 and F2, the values, the forces have been given, act on a body of mass 10 kilograms, displacing it from this point to this point. The work done on the particle is 78 joules. What is the value of lambda? Okay, so this one is very direct and straight to the point. Okay, we just have to define what work done is. The work done by a force on a particle moving it from one place to another is just equal to the dot product of the force and the displacement. So we need to take the dot product, so it is F dot change in displacement. All right, now what is the change? What is the change in displacement? The change in displacement is just the position vector of B minus the position vector of A. So we take final minus initial. So I'm going to write them in a column form. I'm going to have 3 lambda, okay, I'm going to have 6 and 5 minus, I'm going to have 2 negative 6 and then lambda, So if I simplify, what am I going to have? I'm going to have 3 lambda minus 2. Now 6 minus 6 is 12, and here I'm going to have 5 minus lambda. Okay, now my work done is 78 joules, and it is equal to the dot product of the force. Now in this case, we actually talk about the resultant force. Okay, this capital F is a resultant force. All right, and the resultant force in the system, so the resultant force, my capital F, is just equal to F1 plus F2, and if we add them, I'm just going to add directly. All right, and I put it in the column form. So I have 2 plus 4 is 6. Then I have 3 minus 5 is negative 2. And finally, negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. So my work done, which is 78 joules, is just equal to this force here, the resultant force acting on the body, dot that force dot, so I have this force dot the change in displacement. All right, so it therefore means that 78 will be equal to, now let's do the dot. So I'm going to have 6 times 3 lambda minus 2 plus negative 2, or minus 2 times 12 minus 1 times 5 minus lambda. All right, so from here you're going to find the value of lambda and you tell me your answer. All right, see you guys in the next video and stay blessed.